I just wanted to do a quick update on the Flame King 500,000 BTU weed burner. They actually stopped making it. They actually had a recall on it because there's something weird with the hose going on. Well, if you want to learn how I made out with it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're doing an update video on the Flame King 500,000 BTU weed burner. Now, they actually had a recall on this because something was going on with the hose. I used it 1 year, and the following year, I started having issues with it. But we're going to go ahead and take a quick look at the original video, and you can see the issues I had with it the following year. They did revamp this. There's a new model out. I'll have a link below to that in case you want to check it out. Now, as you can see, this striker is about useless, so I'm just going to go ahead and use a lighter. This is what it looks like after using it the previous year. You can see there's some burn marks already in the driveway. I got it lit, but it wouldn't stay lit, and when you press the lever to shoot out the flame, it'd give a quick burst and die back down. I had to keep lighting it. It wouldn't hold a constant flame. Now remember, this is the old style. They did make some modifications to the newer style. I tried 2 different propane tanks, one partially full and one completely full, thinking maybe it was the propane tanks, but no matter what I did, I had the same results. I had to keep adjusting it, and I just got to the point, to be honest with you, I ended up throwing it away. I don't know if I'll just go somewhere else and get a completely different unit, or if I'll try the new model. But if and when I get another one, I'll go ahead and do a video on that one so you can see that one also. But it definitely, if you come across the old style Flame King, do yourself a favor. Don't buy it. Hopefully they took it completely off the market. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.